Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. We're going to do a mystery unboxing. I found a way to coax the kitty into the area to do this mystery unboxing, but not specifically in the area. This kitty is only vaguely interested in this. This is a mystery silver unboxing, and this kitty that's as close as we're going to get to the kitty. But let's see what's in it. It's a nondescript box here, as you can tell here by all the corners. And you're probably wondering what's inside of it. Well, I know. Here's a hint. It's very loosely packaged. So that would make you think that, well, it's probably not by anybody really professional that would do such a thing. But let's see here. But let's see if we can get this thing open and see what's inside. Let's do it. Let's see here. You're not seeing this because it's... But I am cutting it. All the way up and all the way down. There we go. All right, that should allow us access inside of the piece. See what we've got in here. Ah, there we go. Now, the mystery is over. Now we see what's inside the box. It is the United States Mint. Yes, they packaged that thing horribly, this thing bouncing around in there and the like, but it is the inaugural medal, the first of two for the new program for the presidential medals. Indeed, yes. So we're going to pull this thing out. Don't you like my gloves, by the way? Doesn't it make my hands look just uber feminine? Yes, I did these because my hands are dirty enough that I didn't want to show that and draw attention to my hands and have a bunch of comments about how dirty my hands are. All right, been working in the yard again. That's right. That's why that occurred. So here we go. It's got a slip there. This is 40 bucks. These are not bullion pieces indeed. These are medals. There's a certificate of authenticity. It's a presidential silver medals program. I believe they'll be releasing 4 a year, I believe. They started with 2, with Washington and Adams. And I'm only going to be getting the ones that I'm interested in. And I was interested in George Washington. And looky here. The capsule is loose on this thing. And very difficult to get out of here. Which means I got to pull. If you ever run into a thing from the Mint and you can't get it out of the thing, you can pull the actual piece, the felt piece out, and just work the coin out that way. If it's a coin, it does the same thing for a metal, and this is indeed a metal. Now you'll notice it's kind of hard to tell here, but this is a, pardon me. This is indeed on a Silver Eagle planchet. That's right, and I'm going to show you the difference between a size differential between a Silver Eagle and the presidential dollar, or the presidential medal. So you can see it has that frosted appearance. It is the matte finish to the whole thing. Exactly the same size, same diameter as a Silver Eagle. But it is a metal. And as is the case with every single metal from the United States Mint, they have a smooth edge that you can see there. So there it is. So yes, this was struck on a Silver Eagle planchet. Yes, indeed. That's how it was struck. And very, very nice indeed. Very cool piece. I think Losing Louie has one of these. And just very well done. And for the presidential medals. So this is the one that you can get in a 3-inch bronze size. You can get it in a 1.5-inch bronze. and silver now. Very, very nice. There it is. So what do you think of this piece? It is pricey. It costs the same amount as a 3-inch bronze. It has a metal turn, but you do see a bit more detail in it. And I'm looking forward to the Abraham Lincoln one when it comes out. And I'm looking forward to the Augusta St. Gaudens Theodore Roosevelt. And I actually have that one in silver in the presidential medals set, which is those are highly collectible when they came out a few years ago. So post your thoughts on this mystery unboxing, the United States Mint medal. Very cool. Let me know what you think. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching and discourage you from rating and commenting and subscribing. I'd like to discourage you all from doing that. If you could, just for this video, I'd like to discourage anybody from liking this video. I'd like to discourage you all from watching this video. Don't watch anymore after this. For the rest of this video. In fact, undo watching what you've seen so far. Let's make that a priority. All right, very good. All right, there it is. All right, mint, coins, boxes, kitties. Where's the kitty's gone? The kitty's gone. Scared the kitty away. Look at all this mess. It's chaos. It's chaos here. It's chaos with this unboxing. Brand new chaos. Ooh. Yes, you can. This is me touching it without actually touching it. It's a different kind of capsule, by the way. You know, that means, see this? It's a stackable capsule. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a stackable capsule. Maybe they might store in that, so that way you can take these and just stack them on top of each other. Each of the presidential medals. Sweet. Nice. If I get another one, I'll do that. I'll put them both together and make them interlock. Don't read too much into that, by the way. All right. I think I'm going to wrap this up. Oh, wait a minute. I've unwrapped it. I can't unwrap it. I've already wrapped. I'm going to put it in the case, and you're going to watch me do it. There it goes inside of the case. And you're probably wondering, I'll go ahead and answer this question because I know people are going to ask. Actually, you probably won't. Hey, look, there's a hair. There's a little kitty hair right there. See that? And this did not come from the mint, like was the case for my palladium. This came from my kitty. Yeah, that came from the kitty. Anyways, I said that this is a mystery silver unboxing because I knew that if I said presidential dollar, presidential medal, it wasn't going to get very many views. But I wanted you guys to be aware that they existed, and because it's kind of cool, you know. I mean, it's a little pricey, but it was, you know, this is the actual clickbait. That's what it was. It was actual clickbait. Indeed. But you weren't disappointed, were you? No, indeed not. All right, there it is. I'm going to wrap this thing up. I like that it's in a green box. That's pretty cool. For the money you spend for it, you better have good packaging. Indeed. There it is. Presidential Silver Medals Program from the United States Mint. Very cool. And glad to have it. Here's what it's in comparison to packaging of the Silver Eagle. And that, there it is. All together now. Very good. Okay. The mystery silver unboxing is over. Though you can't see anything. It's all finished. In fact, you really shouldn't even be watching now because I told you not to watch anymore. So if you're still watching, it's your fault. It's not mine. Where are we at? Okay, I think I'm going to stop this video now. Make sure I get 10 minutes in. Got 30 seconds left. Well, that's as of the recording of this. I mean, if you don't, that's not including the intro and outro. So now we can stop the video. All right, multitude of gratitude to you all. That's all I'm going to say. See ya.